This is exercise 4 in 3D AutoCAD, and for this exercise we'll keep the front view in the top left viewport, but I'll change this to left view, although it doesn't really matter, but just to have the same configuration as is in the drawing, in the handout. We can start this in left view by drawing the trapezium and then extruding it by 40. So let's use polyline, drawing the horizontal line of 40, then going minus 17, minus 50, minus 17, comma, minus 50. Pardon, that was wrong. U, enter. It should be minus 17, comma, 50. Next is the horizontal line of 6 to the left, and close the shape by clicking on the first point. Now use the extrude command to extrude the shape, enter, by 40. Now we need to subtract from this shape this trapezium at the top, and also the rectangle at the bottom. So we can start drawing in the front view, and using the polyline tool, we can draw the trapezium that needs to be subtracted. Sometimes this happens, and if that happens, then you can exit the command by pressing escape and just select front again. So I'll draw the trapezium outside of the shape, and the first point can be anywhere, and it's 30. Sorry, horizontal 30. Then it narrows to 14. That means there should be 8 on each side. So it will be minus 8, and the height is 28. Minus 8, comma, 28. This one is 14. So this trapezium should be positioned on this shape, so that the midpoint is at the midpoint here. And if I try to do it, let's do it like this. Move, select the shape to move, press enter, and for the point select the midpoint here and move it to the midpoint of this. Now in the 3D views you can see what I just change it to 2D wireframe so we can see what we have. Right, and now we can move this rectangle up in this view. So enter, and I will move it up until it aligns there. And now I'm going, doesn't look quite right. I'll undo. I need to move it up by 22, so that may be better if I use the number. So move, yeah, enter, and move it up 22. Now it's better, yes. And now I'm going to extrude this shape. Extrude it by, we can say whichever number, but what is sufficient is 40. And now we can subtract from the big shape, enter, small shape, enter. Right? And now in the same way we'll draw the rectangle in the front view. Rectangle which is 10, the height of the rectangle is 20, so 10, 20, and move it, enter, so that the midpoint is at the midpoint at the bottom of this shape. And you can see, and now as this rectangle is positioned, we can extrude, enter, and it's extruded by 40. So now it's almost complete, but we need to also add these two shapes. And we can change the visual style to hidden. And that's exercise 4 complete.